You're here with the Chris Turner Experience at Alberni Toyota, and we have here a special edition Lunar Rock Trail Tacoma. The Trail Edition Tacoma comes with the black badging, the black tailgate inserts, and of course this unique trail badging. The front grille has the heritage style grille with the bronze accenting. Bronze 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Black Predator tube steps. For your cargo needs, you have a 5-foot box and you have the roof rack system from Toyota. Once inside the truck, you can see power seats finally with height adjustment and lumbar support. The fabric is a dark gray with bronze or tan, you might call it, stitching. The steering wheel is leather wrapped. Steering wheel with audio and Bluetooth controls, as well as your lane departure and cruise control controls. 8-inch touchscreen. On the fly 4-wheel drive. Dual climate control. And 3 levels of heated seats for your front passenger and driver. ECT, electronic controlled transmission power button. A TRD Shift Knob for your 6-speed automatic transmission. Up above, you have Toyota Safety Connect with the SOS emergency button and a locking rear differential for your off-road needs. So this is the 2023 Toyota Tacoma Trail Special Edition